Hello everyone, this is Sampath with you, Trust YouTube channel with, and today I'm going to tell you in how to make a ringtone your iPhone without any trouble or without any problem, very easy way, and with the 3U tools. And if you are not yet subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell button, get to video once I post it. And as I told you in the last video, you will know how to get it, that application from the Google, and this is absolutely free application and you can download and totally free this application, and very helpful application for whoever using iPhone. Today I am going to tell you and how to create ringtone. As you know, this 3U tools, whoever watched my last video, I mentioned there in my description, and you can get from the link from that video also and from this video, and the below I am going to put that link, and you can hit the link and get download the application any laptop or any PC, any Windows or any Mac. So this is the one of best application. You can create ringtone very easily, and whatever you like you can create to the ringtone. So let us start, and I'm not going to download and install because of I had download and install. This is the application and 3U tools. Just open 3U tools. And once you open the 3U tools, and I just connect my mobile, and already is there, and this is the mobile status is showing all details, and this is a really very helpful application. Today I'm going to tell you not more about that. I'm going to tell you in the make ringtone, how to make the ringtone. And go to this ringtone, make, this is the icon, you can see the, and make ringtone. Click the make ringtone. It will be opened another small window. You can, there is a two option from PC and another one choice from the your device, and you can choice from your PC or either your device. So I'm going to choice from the PC. So this is my language, so I save one zone here to create the ringtone. I'm going to open that one. So this is one of best application. You can choose which parts, which music you need. So you can choose in the length what you want. As you need, you can create. I just going to start in the beginning only. So see, look at here, you will know this here, the beginning, and this is the end. So this area I'm going to select, right? So after that you can generate, you can give the command to generate button here. So you can make the click on the generate. Now import to your device. It is giving coming message, import to your device. Now already generate the ringtones. So just you have to click on here. Succeed to import one ringtone. It may need to reboot valid if iOS version 13 or higher. So mine is higher, so it is, now I can enjoy with that. So once you create the ringtone, once you generate the ringtone, I'll close those windows and come back to the here device, and main page. So you below the ringtone, so this is the what I generate. So this is my own language. So you can create any song, any music into the ringtone. Hope you guys enjoy with my video. If you like, please subscribe my channel, get to more video, or share and press the bell button. Thank you very much everyone.